This tutorial explains how to apply for tutor jobs on Crazywhiz effectively. You will learn the sequential steps to complete your application successfully. Click the Jobs section on the Crazywhiz homepage to view available tutoring opportunities. Click Read More to see detailed information about the tutoring job you are interested in. Click Apply Now to begin submitting your application for the selected tutor job. Click the full name field to prepare for entering your personal information. Enter your full name in the designated field to identify yourself to the employer. Click the email address field to input your contact information. Enter your email address to ensure the employer can contact you regarding your application. Click the phone number field to provide your contact number. Enter your phone number so the employer can reach you for further communication. Click the message field to add a personal introduction or relevant details about your qualifications. Enter a brief message highlighting your experience and teaching style to showcase your suitability for the tutor position. Click the message field again to ensure your application message is correctly entered. Click the message field once more to verify your message content before submission. Click Submit Application to send your completed tutor job application to the employer. Click I have already registered if you have an existing account to proceed with your application. Click the confirmation message indicating your application has been submitted successfully to ensure your application was received.